What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. And for the UK viewers, what's up? You understand? I'm the Reaction Boss, straight out of Jamaica. For the mostly reactions right now, you're at the right place, and I'm gonna start reacting to some more UK rappers. So you can drop them down below, the names and the songs, but make sure they're like known, because I'm not really one to do them new artists, because I really don't know. So you're gonna put me to some new artists, that's not good. If you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm just gonna react to some of these real quick. We got Stormzy Scary right here. I reacted to KSI. What was that called again? Houdini. 2 days ago. And y'all commented, some of them y'all commented NCS or whatever. I don't remember, but someone said Stormzy, he is the best UK rapper. So I'm finna see if he's actually the best one and whatever. So just subscribe to the channel, y'all. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, and I post every single day. So that's a good reason to subscribe, right? Now let's go. Let's see what Stormzy is doing. Scary. Now, I'm easily scared. Let go. Yeah. Why are you so dark? Ooh, scary. I'm already scared. The album is coming. Oh, this has been out for like a year, by the way, y'all. So, but it's new to me. I've never heard or seen this before. So let me get ready to be scared. Okay, let go. When? Look behind. Look behind me. What, bruh? I'm easily scared, y'all. Be careful. Look at this dude's eye. Look at his eyes. What's it? Stormzy. Bruh, you already scaring me, bruh. Rancho.
I'm going away for a bit when I'm back. Nobody's saying my name on the track.
Yeah.
I get nervous when I stop murking. Scaring I'm 5 when I'm under attack.
Wait. Is he hanging or something, y'all? Wait a minute. Go back. Oh, hell no. I'm looking behind me. Shit. But he said, is he hanging? That's what I really want to see. Look.
When I get nervous when I stop murking.
He's so serious, dude. This was really scary. Okay, let's go. This
I'm scared I'm 5 when I'm under attack. Should've thought twice before you open your trap. Coming to a nuclear war with this strap. You can tell me.
Man says coming to a nuclear war with a strap. That UK accent, yo, I really need to sound like a UK. I'm gonna start talking like a UK now, from now on. Coming to a nuclear war with a strap. The thing, you did me at. Yo, I really know some Jamaican. I'm Jamaican, so yeah, I don't know. It's kind of close, but it's also far off. I'm gonna try to start talking like them. I'm gonna try to do say what he says.
We both say sharp. When I say sharp, I get a plaque. Difference might come true in all black. Things in the front row screaming out brat.
Yeah, what? I want to say sharp. You want to say sharp. He's sharp. What? Oh shit! I really need to quit it, but I want to get it. I want to get it. I'm gonna go back. in the song a little bit. All right, let's go now.
The strap, you can tell me to sharp. We both say sharp. When I say sharp, I get a plaque.
That's it. Don't tell me sharp when I say sharp. You tell me sharp, you don't get a plaque. Come on, y'all know if you get. You tell me if I got it, yo. Tell me if I got it. When I say sharp, you'll say sharp. Don't say sharp, you don't say shut up. I give up. Let go.
Difference might come true in all black. Things in the front row screaming out brat.
Yeah.
Hashtag Murky 2016. Oh, you thought we was gonna fall back.
Yeah, okay, you fucking shit up. You cool. It's going twice so far. It's going good. For my Jamaicans watching, because I know y'all have some real supporters who are gonna watch anything I post. What y'all think of this dude? What do y'all think of Stormzy Scary? What y'all think of this song? You know me, when it comes down to them scary, you know, them evilish kind of music videos too, like Tamale. For the UK fans, check out Tamale. He's a Jamaican artist. You can check him out. You won't be disappointed. But let go.
They think that I get paid in brand new clothes. Like, why would I mug myself? Plus, Apple Music gave me a brand new show. Little nigga, I'll plug my.
Yeah, he's going off. Hold on. Oh, y'all didn't tell me it was that good now. Shit. He go off. But this dude's. The song is called Scary. You gotta see the Kengals, the black team, the dark theme and shit. Okay, it's on point. It's on point. Everything is on point, dog. Let go.
In brand new clothes, like why would I mug myself? Plus Apple Music gave me a brand new show. Little nigga, I'll plug myself. I
wonder if there's lyrics on this, because I really need to hear him for real. It's not available, dog. Damn, it's not available. I really wanted to like get a clearer understanding and shit, bro. It's alright. Let go. He's going off. Brand new. I'm just gonna be pausing and trying to listen to what he's saying, y'all. Let go.
Scene, plug my guys. This thing's more than a bus, don't lie. Wanna be a G, real fucks, don't cry.
Wait. He's spitting so much shit. He's just, damn, bro. I really need to. I should have been home when I'm doing this. Damn. Okay, let go. Ready?
Nigga, I'll plug myself, plug my scene, plug my guys. This thing's more.
What do you say? Plug my scene, plug my guys. What is he saying? Am I deaf? It's just, it's not deaf. It's just the accent. That's why. It's just the UK accent. It's just the UK accent. What do you say? I'm gonna get it today.
So little nigga, I'll plug myself, plug my scene, plug my guys. This thing's more.
Plug my scene, plug my. I don't know. I don't want to look up the lyric video. I should, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna listen to the song after though. It's alright. Don't roast me, y'all. It's just something new, okay? I'm gonna get it. Guess what you should do? Comment some more that you think, or comment another artist then that y'all think that I really like clearly understand more than Stormzy. Even though I'm understanding what he's saying, but like not fully. If you get what I'm saying. Let go though.
More than a bus, don't lie. Wanna be a G, real fucks, don't cry. Looking at storms that the calm won't die. Fuck boy soon get hit with the karma.
Yeah, wait. You wanna be a G, no fucks, don't cry. Go back, man. Go back. I'm always go back for some reason, y'all. Damn, but hold up. I don't even know we're in the song yet. Why am I going back so much? Okay, let go.
More than a bus, don't lie. Wanna be a G, real fucks, don't cry.
Wanna be a G, no fucks, don't cry. Wanna be a G, no fucks. Oh shit, dog. It's so weird for me trying to understand this. This is funny. I hope y'all don't take it the wrong way for the UK viewers. You know what I'm saying? But I find it hilarious that I'm trying my best, like, to really get what he's saying. You know, I know it's natural to y'all, but trust me, when me talking in my language, you don't understand nothing in my book class. I bet y'all didn't understand what I just said. You understand? So I'm just trying my best to like get what he's saying, y'all. But let go. I'm gonna go back a little bit more. Alright, right there a little bit. Let go now.
This thing's more than a bus, don't lie. Wanna be a G, real fucks, don't cry. Looking at storms that the calm won't die. Fuck boy soon.
I heard die. I heard storms. More fucks. Don't die. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna just continue the song. I'm gonna stop pausing because if I try and get what he's saying right here only, I'm gonna miss the entire more of the song. So y'all let me know what he's saying down below. You can probably comment the lyrics or shit. I'll look up the lyric video after, okay? Y'all don't roast me. Let's go though.
Get hit with the karma. Leave man pissed like he split with his partner. I ain't got a brand new chain or a rollie. Then I said, mum, buy a business in Ghana.
I ain't got a brand new chain or a rollie. Then I said my mom business. I'm grown up. Yo, I need to. I know y'all UK mofos probably finding this shit funny as fuck. This stupid ass ugly ass nigga trying to understand what he's saying and shit, right? I know y'all find it funny. What do y'all call? What do y'all say? Y'all say, boy. What do y'all UK find? What do y'all UK people say? What's your slang? This dude ain't smart, innit? That's great. I know. I didn't say that. Let go.
Cut that straight. Stop that, start that, get that weight. Man talk grease, but I bet that's fake. Don't boy there never drop no heat.
Oh, slow down. You too bad. I'm gonna say cut straight. I know. I'm gonna get this line. I ain't fucking no more. I'm gonna get this line, bro. I'm gonna get this line. You all ready? Watch me get this shit now.
Stop that, start that, get that weight. Man talk grease.
Stop that, start that, get. Stop that, start that, get that. Yeah. No wait, I gotta start like him. Stop the, start that, get that. Yeah. I really hope y'all are finding this shit funny. Yo. If you all are, yo, just show me the love and by liking the video, you understand? Yeah, show me the love by liking the video because I'm really trying, y'all. I'm really trying. Let go, though.
That's fake. Don't boy there never drop no heat. Therefore, I will not check man's tape. Kick a man.
Don't want say I never drop no heat. Oh, hell no, man. Hell no. You lost me there. I'm gonna just vibe to this shit. But scary. Maybe if I was really like understanding him more clearly, maybe it would have been scary to me. Because just to start off with, this dude said, look behind you. I was like, what? Just to start. So maybe if he was actually, if I was actually understanding the accent more, I would have been scared. But let go.
Face like on back. Blacked out Adidas kicks on my combat. Please don't put no coke in my.
Blacked out Adidas kicks on my cup. Alright, I got that. I hope that's what he said. I got that. Let go. Well, I got something, yo. I'm proud of myself. Let go.
Cognac, rude boy, suck your mum, I ain't on that. Yeah, pull it up, rewind.
Yeah, these are, yeah. Boy, suck your mom, ain't want that. Yo, UK people always say, yo, suck your mom in it, bro. Yo. I find it so funny. Suck your mom. In Jamaica, them niggas say, suck your mother. Look at me. Suck your mom, ain't want that. Wow, I find this shit so funny. Oh my gosh, y'all. This shit hilarious. Let's go, though. Let's go. I like doing these reactions for real. I like doing reaction videos. Regardless. Let's go.
All the gun talk, I don't even mind it. Don't get gas cause you got the headline. You only got it cause I declined it.
You see, it got the headline, it's gonna got declined, y'all. Yeah. I just like the accent for real. But I'm gonna go back real quick. I'm gonna go back a little bit. Let's go now.
Rewind it. All the gun talk, I don't even mind it. Don't get gas cause you got the headline.
Don't get gas cause you got the end line. Man, I wish I understand what he just said. I wish I did. Damn, this video probably hella long. I hope you all are enjoying it or whatever. I'm not gonna make it too long though, so I'm finna wrap it up in a minute. You understand me? But I'm gonna check the rest of the song out though. Don't get it twisted. I'm gonna check it out off camera. But y'all just make sure y'all comment some more songs you want me to react to. Some more UK songs. Yeah, well, let go. I got this.
You only got it cause I declined it. Lost my faith and I went to find it. Never been a fluke, man.
I got that. Lost my faith and I went to find it. Never got what? Oh my God, I got that. I'm trying to get this shit, yo. I'm trying to get this. Let go.
To find it. Never been a fluke, man. I came and timed it. Man, them I shook.
Never been afraid, man. I came and timed it. Lost my faith and I came to find it. Never been afraid, but I'm a G, man. I'm a G in it. I'm getting it, y'all. I'm getting it. This nigga real scary as fuck, though. But I'm getting it. Let go.
Better watch the throne now, and if you can't see me, look behind it. Pussy.
Oh, I've definitely heard that. I definitely heard that, mofo. Pussy. How do y'all say pussy? Oh, this shit hilarious, man. I'm finna wrap this up. I know this video probably hella long. I don't want to make a hella long video for real, but let go.
Yeah. Scary.
Yeah. He's finna switch up the floor a bit. Tell me you finna switch it up. Be prepared to be scared right now. If you're in your house, prepare to be scared. Anywhere you are watching this video, prepare to be scared. I need to check out my time difference with UK so I know when to upload this video too. But people, be prepared to be scared. Let's go. Yeah.
I'm going away for a bit when I'm back. Nobody's saying my name in the raps.
Gone. Oh, that means he was gone. No, he came back. Going away for a bit. Now I'm back. No, nobody's scared to say my name in the raps. I got that shit. But anyways, y'all, I'm not gonna react to the second verse or whatever. I'm just gonna leave y'all with this right here. I hope y'all enjoy my little reaction or whatever. And if you're from the UK and want to see me react to some more UK rappers or UK artists, UK songs, your favorite UK song, just drop it down below and I'll be sure to check it out. Okay, y'all. Peace out. It's been a boy, Tyrekejt. Subscribe to the channel. We're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. So help with Jamaican boy.